The FZ42 portal milling machine, dynamics, power, and precision. With the FZ42, ZIMMERMANN presents an enormously powerful portal milling machine for the machining of heavy materials like steel, cast iron, titanium, but also aluminum. The outstanding balance between the extremely robust construction and low moving masses makes it possible to achieve fast feed rates while maintaining extremely high structural rigidity. This lets the FZ42 efficiently perform high dynamic machining of all heavy materials. Exceptional precision guaranteed. These characteristics make the FZ42 the ideal machine for a wide variety of applications in various industries. Custom fit to your production requirements, the FZ42 offers enough space for the machining of large volume components. The trapezoidal side columns are filled with fiber-reinforced special concrete, which guarantees highest possible oscillation and vibration dampening, as well as temperature stability. Driven by backlash-free portal drives on both sides, the low-moving masses of the rigid portal enables simultaneous 5-axis and 5-sided machining with high precision and speed. The VH6, designed by ZIMMERMANN, is an ultimately powerful 2-axis milling head. Completely based on zero backlash torque motors, the drives ensure maximum dynamic behavior and agility. The VH6 stands out by its extremely slim design and its minor interference contour in the decisive lower area of the fork. It's specially designed for high-performance cutting of hard and tough materials like titanium, steel, or cast iron. Due to the multiple spindle technology, the VH6 handles all processing steps with ease, from roughing to finishing, all in one setup, without the need to change machines. This reduces setup times and therefore production costs. High capacity rates of the FZ42 can be assured anytime by also machining various materials like aluminum or Zamac alloy. The responsiveness, agility, and speed of the digital drive, coupled with the enormous driving force of the milling head and the right choice of spindle, lead to exceptional chip removal volumes in all materials. Whether you're machining large-size press and stamping dies, structural parts made out of steel and titanium, or large-size aluminum parts, the FZ42 stands its ground. The FZ42 is extremely variable in its technical features, work area, milling head options, control systems, as well as accessory options can be adapted to individual requirements. The result of this design is a unique combination of short machining times, high surface finish, long-term stability, and therefore highest cost effectiveness. The FZ42, when your job doesn't allow for any compromises.